Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude back with a model review. So today we'll be taking a look at the Schleich Plesiosaurus figure. This one's really neat. They incorporated a bendy neck feature into it. So you can see all these little holes where the neck is. They usually have these on figures with a wire going through the body or segment. And I'm not sure what they do, if they like relieve air or make it easy to insert it. I don't know. They're just on a lot of figures with bendy necks. But this one has it, and you can pose the neck, which is pretty cool. This plesiosaur has a pretty short neck, but that's realistic of most plesiosaurs. I'm not sure which one this is supposed to be. I think just Plesiosaurus. That kind of looks like Cryptoclydus, though. I probably should have checked the the name on the shelves, but that's okay. It's a plesiosaur. I watched in a video a long while back on this figure from like a designer, a Schleich figure designer, and they said they went with an Arctic style with this guy because a lot of them are found in the Arctic. So they gave them this color palette and this pattern on the face, kind of to simulate goggles, which I think is pretty cute. You can see the little eyes there, and then it's like a heart shape. But they said something about that looking like goggles. You can see all the little teeth are painted. They're all interlocking like a fish trap. That's pretty cute. Got a very wide body, kind of teardrop shaped, and these large fins. And again, they said something about this white spray being like Arctic themed, right? So it kind of looks like snow or whatever on the back. I think that's pretty cute. This definitely would be realistic to see in a kind of Arctic water climate. I know it was warmer back in the Jurassic, but that's pretty neat. They also have this lighter brush on the bottoms of the fins and the underbelly, which is again realistic to what you'd see in sharks and stuff today. Light on the bottom, dark on the top. And I just overall love this paint. It can go well with Arctic theme, it can go well with open ocean themed, it can go well with tropical reef. It really fits in a wide variety of places, and very great for photography with this bendy neck option where you can have him or her doing some pretty cool swimming maneuvers, right? I got this one for $13, and I should have got it a long while ago, but I waited for a while until I saw this massive beast of a mosasaur, and I was like, hey, okay, I'm finally gonna get this dude so I can do a video with the both of them together, because they look really nice together. Sure, they didn't live in the same time periods, but I think they're pretty cute as Schleich's marine reptiles. Oh shoot, they also did ammonites. I have in a Christmas event calendar, they had released ammonite figures, and I got like a boatload of them, because you know it's not often you find a typical, like stereotypical ammonite figure model in this size or scale. So I got those too. I should actually I'll do another video sometime when I find those ammonites of like a Schleich marine reptile or Schleich new marine review or something. I don't know. I'll just show you guys how nicely the ammonites fit with these two marine reptiles. But overall, I think this figure's really great, really stunning. Wasn't a fan at first, but I definitely am now. I just love the proportions now. Love that bendy neck. Think it's absolutely adorable. Definitely worth getting if any of you guys love marine reptiles out there. Great addition to the collection. And you can see it's much smaller than the mosasaurus, but it looks quite nice with it. The colors are different, so there's some variety in that, and they look like they'd fit together quite well. So to end things off, overall, this little figure's pretty adorable. The texture is really nice. I like that kind of scaly yet patternistic like skin. Color's amazing. Love the details. The paint details are great, and definitely worth picking up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and if you did, make sure to check out my channel for more content like this, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.